Hey guys, Jim from Import Image and welcome back to the channel. On this week's Product Peek, we have the highly anticipated Noble Color Match Bulge Hood Scoops for the 2022 and 23 Subaru WRX. Let's get right into it. You asked for it and here they are. Ever since the release of the Noble Carbon Fiber Bulge Hood Scoop, people have been asking for a paint match version and Noble has delivered. This time with full plastic construction, making this scoop more affordable than its carbon fiber sibling, as well as a popular diamond weave design for the grille, helping to eliminate pesky debris from entering the engine bay. There's no denying the larger than OEM design, but luckily that doesn't affect installation. Start to finish, this install takes less than 30 minutes and uses a combination of OEM and provided hardware. No modifications to your factory intercooler shroud are needed. No matter if your car is solar orange, ceramic white, crystal black silica, famous World Rally Blue, Noble has a color option for you. So thanks for taking a look at the Noble Color Match Bulge Hood Scoop for the 2022 and 23 Subaru WRX. For a more involved install, be sure to click on the link in the description below. And for thousands of parts just like this, plus tons more, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all of the best deals on the web and in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.